What's up, guys? Welcome into another cooking video today with me, Chef Jimmy here. And today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be doing a cheeseburger soup. It's kind of a weird combination, but I wanted to see what it would be like in a soup way because I've seen a lot of people do it and I want to try to do it myself, see how it would turn out. So guys, what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be doing that recipe. And so guys, what we're going to be doing for ingredients today, we're going to be using ground beef here. It's 70% lean and 27% fat, and that'd be the meat part. And then for cheese, we're going to be making sharp cheddar. We're going to be putting that in it, and then if you want to mix it up a little more, you could put a little bit of Swiss cheese in if you want. I mean, I don't know if you want to, but I might put it a little bit on top. That's going to be for that. Alright guys, so what you want to do is you want to take your onion, you want to chop it up in medium dice. So what you want to do is you want to just cut down, keep going across. Cut it across like that. Right guys, but then you want to cut it opposite way. Alright guys, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and put your meat in there like that. Let it cook up with the butter in the bottom of the pan. And then after that gets start getting going, you want to dump some onions in after it gets cooking a little bit. Alright guys, we got it going in here, so I'm going to add a little bit of onion. Let them saute up in there with that. And then we're going to get going with that. Alright guys, so here we go. The onions are starting to look a little bit translucent here, so we're going to add a little bit of flour. We're going to make a roux. Don't throw out all your butter and stuff in the bottom of the pan, because this roux will help thicken it up. And also guys, to help with it, since you don't have to take another pot and do it, this is called the singer method. It's where you mix the roux up in it because it has equal counts of butter and flour. So you want to just mix all that flour up equally. Just keep putting in there little by little. And after you get this mix in there, it should be getting a little bit thick. And then we'll be going to the next step. Alright guys, so I skipped a few steps here, but after you get your flour in there and let it thicken up a little bit, you want to put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, which I didn't have Worcestershire sauce, so I used steak sauce. And then you want to put a little bit of your chicken stock in there, or dry chicken stock, and then put a little bit of water. And then you want to put 2 cups of water in. And then after that, you want to put 1 cup of milk in. And then if you have dry mustard, then you could put a tablespoon of that in. But I didn't have it, so I put a half a tablespoon of mustard. So let it mix it up pretty well, and then let it sit on the stove and let it get thick a little bit. And we'll be right back. Alright guys, so next step is to, when you get it thickened up a little bit, you want to put 4 slices of cheese in at a time, 3 to 4, we're doing 4. So you want to take your cheese and just put it in there like that, and then get it all in there. You want to stir it around in there, make sure it gets in there, incorporates. And let it melt, and then once that melts and you don't see it hardly anymore, then you're going to add a little bit more until it gets good enough, and then we'll be back to plate. Alright guys, so we have got it boiled up, and I think you've already seen the pictures on there that I just took of in video, and we're going to do a taste test for you guys. So let's go ahead and get all this mixed stuff on top. And yes guys, it's going to be pretty hot, so you don't blow on it. Pretty good, tastes just like a hamburger. Got that perfect cheese in it. Got that, you can taste a little bit of that steak sauce in there. A little bit of mustard. And you got pickle in it, like I put mine in there. It'll make it more like a burger. and it's got a good taste. Got enough salt and pepper, good season. And yeah, guys, hope you did enjoy this video. Hope you can make it yourself and give me some feedback on it. And I guess I'll see you in the next episode here on my channel. This is Chef Jimmy here, and I'm signing off.